This is the Pioneer SX-3700 receiver amplifier, about 45 watts per channel. I've gone through and internally cleaned all the controls with deoxit, replaced a couple of the pesky indicator lamps. The speaker and the FM lamps were out, but everything's working great on it now. Of course, the digital readout as well as an analog scale. Stereo indicator lamp is working. Tune's nice and smooth.
And you think you
AM light works, phono auxiliary, and the B speaker lamp is working. And the phono stage is real nice. Loudness control. Low filter cut for the any rumble you might get out of your turntable. Good sound out of both the right and the left sides.